Africa, a continent rich in culture and history, is home to some of the world's most iconic architectural landmarks. This is a place where architecture isn't just about buildings, but a vivid testimony of life's rhythm over centuries. From the Sahara's sandy hues to the verdant equatorial heartland, each region has birthed architectural styles that echo its unique tapestry of cultures, histories, and landscapes. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt to the modern skyscrapers of South Africa, every building tells a story. Our journey begins in Egypt, home to one of the world's oldest civilizations. The ancient Egyptians, with their profound understanding of art and science, created architectural marvels that have stood the test of time. Monuments like the majestic pyramids and the enigmatic Sphinx are not just symbols of Egypt, but of an era long past. The pyramids, these colossal tombs of the pharaohs, are an unfathomable achievement of human ingenuity. They stand as an undeniable testament to the Egyptians' advanced knowledge of geometry and astronomy. The Sphinx, with its human head and lion's body, is an equally impressive feat that continues to puzzle archaeologists and historians alike. These enduring structures, etched into the arid landscape of Giza, continue to draw millions from across the globe. Their allure transcends time and space, beckoning those thirsty for knowledge and adventure. These intricate structures, built thousands of years ago, continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. Next, we travel to the Horn of Africa, to Eritrea, a country where tradition meets colonial influence. The architectural landscape of Eritrea is a captivating fusion of styles. Its capital, Asmara, is a living museum of early 20th century Italian architecture, adorned with Art Deco buildings, futurist structures, and modernist designs. It's an unexpected European echo in the heart of Africa. Yet this is not the full story. This colonial architecture does not stand alone, but rather, it stands alongside traditional Eritrean buildings. This juxtaposition of styles is a testament to the country's complex history and its ability to blend the old with the new. Eritrea's architectural style is not just about buildings, it's a reflection of its people's resilience and adaptability. Eritrea's architecture is a testament to its resilient spirit, where old meets new and tradition meets innovation. Our journey takes us next to Kenya, a country that beautifully marries its past and future in its architecture. From the bustling streets of Nairobi to the tranquil islands of Lamu, Kenya's architectural landscape is a vibrant tapestry of styles and eras. The Kenya International Convention Center, a beacon of modernity in Nairobi's skyline, stands tall as a testament to the country's drive towards the future. Its design, although contemporary, pays homage to the traditional African aesthetic, embodying the spirit of the nation's forward-thinking ethos. In contrast, the Swahili houses of Lamu, with their intricately carved wooden doors and coral stone walls, are a poignant reminder of the country's rich history. These structures, deeply rooted in tradition, continue to dominate the island's architectural narrative, preserving the essence of Kenya's past. From colonial influences to indigenous designs and modern interpretations, Kenya's architectural landscape is as diverse as its people. Kenya's architecture, a fusion of past and future, mirrors the country's vibrant spirit and dynamic growth. From north to east, Africa's architectural landscape is as diverse as its people. Let's take a moment to recap this thrilling journey through the architectural marvels of Egypt, Eritrea, and Kenya. Each of these countries boasts a unique architectural style that is deeply intertwined with their rich history and vibrant culture. Egypt, the cradle of civilization, is home to timeless structures like the pyramids and the Sphinx that stand as a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient world. These awe-inspiring structures truly capture the essence of a civilization that was ahead of its time. Moving to the Horn of Africa, we find Eritrea, where the architecture is an intriguing blend of tradition and colonial influence. The Art Deco buildings of Asmara, the capital city, stand in stark contrast to the traditional huts that dot the Eritrean landscape, showcasing the diversity of this small but culturally rich country. Finally, we ventured into Kenya, a country that beautifully fuses the past with the future. The intricate designs of the traditional Swahili architecture coexist harmoniously with the modern skyscrapers of Nairobi, creating a fascinating architectural landscape that is uniquely Kenyan. Each of these countries tells a captivating story through its architecture, a story of resilience, evolution, and cultural diversity. Africa's architectural wonders beckon, so why not delve deeper, explore further, and discover the stories these structures tell?